How to change Steam region. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel, and in today's tutorial, let us see if you can actually change your Steam region by adjusting the settings. So go ahead and open Steam on your preferred browser or your device, and once you have opened Steam, make sure you are signed in, and further, tap on your username on top right of your screen. You will then see the option for account details. Tap on account details and now scroll through and you will see the option for contact info and store and purchase history. So in the store and purchase history tab, you will see the option for your country. You can then tap on the update store country option you see there, and with this, as you can see in this particular interface, it clearly mentions that your country is part of your Steam account settings and your country affects what you see on the Steam store, the currency you see prices in, and the currency of your wallet. And just in case if you have moved to a new country or if you are living abroad for an extended period of time, then you can update your country settings when you complete your first purchase using a payment method from that particular country. And if you want to change your settings for location by adjusting the settings, then unfortunately you cannot do so, as Steam automatically sets your region based on your location and payment method. And if you really want to change it, then you usually need to make a purchase while physically in the new country using a payment method from that particular country. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.